Hello everybody, it's Walker, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a text note in ThinkOrSwim. So the first thing you want to do is get ThinkOrSwim loaded up right here, and now what you want to do is you want to go over here to where it says Drawings at the top right corner. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to click where it says Drawing Tools, and you're going to click on this little button right here that says Text Note. Now if you click on that, you can go ahead and add a text note wherever you want. So we're going to say right here that by the way, I did not actually do this in real life, just for the tutorial. But next to this arrow, we're going to left click right here, and we're going to click enter text note. We're going to say bought spy call, and then click OK right here. And now it's going to say that we bought the spy call at this green arrow, which we made this green arrow in our last tutorial. So now what you can do is you can right click on this. We can click edit properties. It's going to edit the text size. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the color of it to green to match the arrow. We're going to make it a little bit bigger so we can actually see it. And you can also even change the font. So there's a bunch of different fonts you can have right here. Let's do this font right here. And we can make it bold. And then you can change the value, the date, and the time if you want. So like we can change this value just to $575 if we wanted to. You can name the text note right here if you wanted to. And then you can pick the alignment, so you can align it left, right, top, or bottom. And when you have the settings all set to where you want them, you can just click on where it says OK right here. And as you can see, it is going to change. And now we can say right here that we bought this spy call at the green arrow. Of course, I did not do this in real life, although it's starting to look like it would have actually been a decent play. But that's pretty much all you have to do in order to edit a text note in ThinkOrSwim. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching.